Hello world, it's Hatim Tekri. Now in this video we understand the switch case statement. So this switch case statement is similar to else if ladder statement. So first, what is switch case statement? Switch case statement is a substitute for long if else if ladder statement that compare the variable of several integer values. For example, if you want to write a program which gives the string value when you provide the integer value, string value of that integer when you provide the integer value. That is, if you provide 1, then the program gives output the string 1, that is ONE. If you provide 2, integer 2, then program gives the output TWO2. If you provide integer 3, then program gives the output THREE3. For this kind of programs, we use switch case statement instead of else if ladder statement. Because for this type of program, the else if ladder statement is not a recommended way, or it is a lengthier way compared to switch case statement. Now in switch case statement, you have to provide a conditional expression. This conditional expression would be an integer variable or a literal. And inside the switch block, we write the number of case. So now we see the syntax of switch case statement. In switch case statement, first we write the switch keyword, and then inside the bracket we mention the conditional expression. And inside the switch block, we write the number of cases. For example, case colon integer 1, then below the case we write the execution code for that case or the task of that case, and after the execution code we write the break statement. This syntax is for all number of cases, and at the end we write the default case. This default case will execute if none of the case matches with the conditional value. Now let's see the difference between else if ladder statement and switch case statement. In else if ladder statement, you write the if statement and then inside the bracket you put the condition, and for the second condition you write else if keyword and inside the bracket you put the condition, and for remaining all the condition you write in the same manner. And for the default task you write else keyword, and inside the else block you write the default task, code of the default task. And in the switch case, you write the switch keyword and inside the bracket you put the conditional expression, and inside the switch block you write all the cases. These cases will be similar to the conditions in else if ladder block, and at the end of all the cases you write the default case, which is similar to the else block in the else if ladder statement. Now we see the flow chart of switch case statement. This is the flow chart of switch case statement. The switch case statement flow chart is similar to the else if ladder flow chart, but here the new block is a switch block, and inside the switch block there is all the cases, and if any of the case matches with the conditional value, then it perform task of that case, and after performing the task it execute the break keyword. This break keyword will put the execution control out of the switch block and perform code after switch case statement. And if any of the case will not match with the conditional value, then it perform the default case. Now we see the example of switch case statement using the program. So move on to the program. First clear this. First we declare the integer variable, that is number. Now write the switch keyword, and inside the bracket we put the conditional expression. So in this case the conditional expression is number variable. Now inside the switch block we write the case keyword, then colon, then conditional value. So first conditional value is 1, semicolon. Same syntax for the next condition. Now for the default task, we write default keyword, then colon, and then execution code, and then below the default keyword there is a execution code, and after the execution code we write the break keyword. Now click on the run button. Sorry, we have done a mistake, that this colon is after the conditional value, and the spelling of default is also wrong. Now click on the run button. So it's print default because here the value of number is 0 and there is no case which matches with the 0 value. Now we change the variable number value from 0 to 1 and let's see the output. Now click on the run button. Now it's print 1 because we have put the value of number equal to 1. So it matches with the case 1 and it's print one. So the syntax to write the case is case keyword, then conditional value and then colon. Now there are certain rules of switch case statement. So let's see the rules of switch case statement. Now the first rule of switch case statement is the duplicate case are not allowed. If we write the same case 2 times, then this is not allowed in switch case statement. Now the second rule is the value of case must be same as the data type of the variable inside the switch case. Now the third rule is the value of case must be constant or literals. The variable values are not allowed. Now the fourth and fifth one is this break keyword and the default case are optional. If you don't write the break keyword, then if the conditional value matches with the first case, then it also check for the case 2 if we don't mention the break keyword. And if we mention the break keyword, then if the conditional value matches with the case 1, then it perform the task of case 1 and then come out of the switch case statement. And in the default case, if you don't write the default case, then in that case if no cases matches with the conditional value, then it doesn't perform any task because we have not write the default case. So in this video we have cleared the switch case statement and the syntax and flowchart of switch case statement. So that's it for this video and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.